Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Rich from Problem Solved. As promised, I wanted to do a small series on what's called the BBB pool care method. That's the bleach, borax, and baking soda. You can use those products mainly and take care of your pool. Save money on chlorine, tablets. I use sort of a combination, I will admit that. I have a sand filter, as I just showed. And I'm going to try and walk you through how easy it is, though. You take your water sample and you consistently check your water levels. The reading on the tests. A 3-way or a 5-way test doesn't matter. Really, you're mainly concerned with your pH, your total chlorine, and your CYA, your cyanuric acid. So you want to go more than a foot deep in the pool. Grab the water from down about a foot in depth. This is my test kit. I'm using the strips. I have used the liquid. I think the strips are more accurate. I like them better. The only problem is sometimes you could get bleeding on the strips where the water and the chemical mixing from the pad on the strip touches and interacts with the pad next to it. So I found that I try and dip it in the water and then hold it horizontally until it sort of drips off and dries itself. And then I try and get a reading on the actual bottle, match up the colors. So that's basically the essence of the test. You take the test strip out of the bottle, you dip it for 2 seconds into your pool water, and then you're going to remove it and let it dry for about 20 seconds. I like to do a quick tap or shake to try and get any excess water out, and then I try and hold it as level as possible without moving it too much to try and get the proper reading. Obviously, there's always the chance of cross-contamination and bleeding from one pad to the other, and it's happened here a little. I'm not going to be too concerned. It's my first test for the season and for this series. I'm more concerned with matching up the color levels. And so I want to try and get a real good view for you and show you what I'm seeing and tell you what you should be thinking. It's this level is telling me the one at the top, the chlorine, looks good. It's dark purple. They were actually at the high level. We don't need chlorine. The pH, that's probably trying to be orange. I know that color is mixed, so I'll recheck that tomorrow or another day soon and verify where that level is at. I'll leave it for now. I'm not going to probably make any change at all. I just opened my pool. The water, should not need to be adjusted anyway with any chemicals. As long as everything is within the range specified, you generally are leaving it alone. If it's too far low or too far high, you want to keep a close eye on it and may need to make an adjustment. So we could see here the cyanuric acid, that color green. I don't know what you'd call that, almost a puke green, I guess. That's telling me we're in range. We're okay for right now. And I'll continue with the next one, and I'm sure a few down the road, they'll get much more interesting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You're going to want to keep an eye on this one. I'm going to take you through the whole method, and you'll see how I make my adjustments. And you can follow suit, save a lot of money, have a crystal clear pool. Thanks again for watching, guys. Don't forget, comment, like, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.